We're back with another boat tour, this time of the venerable 1982 Formosa 51. This is a classic blue water cruiser that is capable and comfortable whether you are at the dock or sailing away. Let's check it out. Well maintained by the previous owner, this boat is ready to take you cruising. She is forgiving in heavy seas and a wonderful home to come back to after a day ashore. The boat has a spacious and wide foredeck as well as tall double lifelines, making movement easy and safe. The cockpit is fully enclosed, protecting you from the elements, and the custom cushions fit perfectly. The boat features Raymarine electronics throughout and has a bow thruster, which is tremendously useful for a boat this size. Moving below, you enter the galley and you can see how much space there is. The dinette is to port with an L-shaped settee. There are large lockers behind, and under the seating area and the cabinets throughout are teak. On the starboard side, the galley runs the full length. Storage is abundant, and the galley features a 3-burner range with oven, microwave, and a refrigerator with remote temperature monitoring. The Nav Station and lower helm are to port just forward of the dinette. There is generous storage under the desk as well as a large storage area in the cabinets below. Aft of the ship is the master stateroom and head. The berth is full width and sized to allow sleeping in any direction. The stateroom is surrounded in teak cabinetry with 2 hanging lockers, and the head is to port containing a sink and marine head. Moving forward through the galley and down 2 steps, we enter the salon. It features settees and full cabinetry on both port and starboard sides. A beautiful antique wood coal-burning parlor stove is to port. A smart TV is mounted on the forward port side and can swivel out to be seen at any angle. The starboard settee pulls out into a generous twin berth when needed, and the carved teak doors are original. Forward of the salon is the head and mid-berth area. The forward head is to port, which can be accessed from either the mid-berth or the salon. It has a sink, marine toilet, and a separate stand-up shower. The mid-berth area features a large twin full bunk, a ton of storage in cabinets and drawers, as well as a washing machine. All the way forward, there are 2 bunks to starboard with a workbench, cabinets, and hanging storage to port. She is powered by a 120 horsepower Ford Lehman diesel that is located under the floor of the galley. Our Formosa 51 is a proven classic blue water cruiser that is ready to take you around the world. She has been well cared for by the previous owners and is eager for more adventures. You can find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below. For our other listings, visit our website at littleyachtsales.com.